Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been wanting to level up your live streams and create broadcasts that look clean, organized and truly professional, then today's video is for you. We are exploring StreamYard, one of the simplest yet most powerful live streaming platforms available. I will show you how to set up your studio, customize your branding, bring guests on screen and control your entire show with smooth transitions overlays all directly from your browser. By the end of this tutorial, you will be ready to host live streams that stand out and keep your audience watching from start to finish. So this is the website streamyard.com. I have also given you the our affiliate link in the description. You can just simply click on that link and you will come to or read to this website. So this is the overall layout of this website. Okay, so first of all we are going to need to create an our account. So I will just select get started button here and we will do a sign up on this StreamYard website. So we will continue with the Google account. So I'll select my account here and then continue. So that's how our account will be successfully created over the StreamYard. So we have to answer there some of the questions so they can improve themselves. Okay, so we want for the live streams. So they have plans. So if you want to continue with the free trial or try for just $1, it's up to you. For now, just cancel this and select I acknowledge, accept and acknowledge, and this is the dashboard of our StreamYard website. Okay, so if you ever want to get upgrade to the advanced plan for just $1, you will just select this continue button and you will and your account will be credited upgraded. So for now we get three options: live stream, recordings and on air webinar. So if you want to do live streaming, you will just click on this live stream button. Okay, and here you will add the destination of the platform where you want to do live streaming. Let's suppose we want to live stream our video on the Facebook, so we will select YouTube. So when you select your YouTube, you have to select your Gmail account as at which your YouTube account is linked. When you select your YouTube account, so in this way it will publish your video directly at that your YouTube channel. So here you will here you can do a pre-recorded video as well as, or you can go for the live video as well. So if you want to do live streaming at any other destination, you will just select any of this available platform and then you can just simply hit the button and it will start it will create a live stream on your designated destination. So that's all about StreamYard, how you can use it, how you can connect your channel where you want to do live stream, or you can even do live streaming of your pre-recorded video. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.